इस लॉकडाउन में बच्चों की लर्निंग सिस्टम डिस्टर्ब्ड हो गई है।
नहीं, मैंने अपनी बेटी का एडमिशन रंगोली प्री स्कूल में कराया है और उसकी अच्छी पढ़ाई भी शुरू हो गई है। रंगोली लाया है आर्कस डिजी स्मार्ट मॉडल, जिसमें बच्चे घर से पढ़ाई करेंगे, टीचर्स के साथ इंटरैक्ट भी करेंगे और वक्त आने पर स्कूल भी आएंगे। तो आज ही अपनी नजदीकी रंगोली प्री स्कूल का संपर्क करें।
Welcome with warmest greetings to the chief guest of the day, Dr. Alkesh Parekh, Ms. Sonal Chauhan, Ms. Manisha Dave, and of course dear parents and our dearest and cutest Rangolians, for and you to whom we all have drawn together. We welcome you all again, sir and madam. With this holy sentiment, may I request our honorable chief guest, Dr. Alkesh Parekh, Manisha Madam and Sonal Madam to please come upon the stage and enlighten the Diva and give opening to the day. I am also requesting Kamini Madam of Rangoli Gangotri, Megha Madam of Rangoli Dabhoi, Rajesh Sir and Ketki Madam of Rangoli Akota, Chatterjee Sir of Rangoli Vasna Bhaili Road, Rajiv Sir and Shalini Madam of Rangoli Agadra, please be on the stage. Orthopedic surgeon, and make sure that Rangoli preschools provide best education to each of the students. Kushali D on the stage has won in solo dance competition Jhamkar. Bhaili Road has won in storytelling competition Abhivyakti. Thank you, Manisha Madam and Sonal Madam, for the are very well reflected in the next performance. The participants are Ms. Harmi Kothari, Master Bhavya Patel, Master Pranch Patel, Ms. Hena Patel, Ms. Manyam Trivedi, Ms. Harleen Asodaria, Ms. Jaladi Limani, Ms. Priyal Kumari, Ms. Karmadeep Kaur, Master Swar Patel, Ms. Prapti Parmar, Ms. Riya Pathak, Ms. Bhavisha Parmar, Master Suyog Agrawal, Ms. Ritika Pathak, Ms. Yashi Dudhwala, Master Kevin Patel, Master Vendra Yutel, Master Naksh Chauhan, Miss Jaladi Limani, Master Advait Raje, Master Nihil Pondhia. I would hand over to the senior KG teacher of Vasna Bhaili Road to announce the names.
Greeting from kindergarten today. This is indeed a very special day. My name is Sunita Bisht. I am a teacher in Vasna Bhaili branch. I can see proud faces in audience, proud moms, dads, grandparents and family. And of course, they have a right to be proud. As parents and teachers, we put a lot of time and energy into preparing our children for their future. As parents and teachers, it is our collective responsibility to guide and born leader of tomorrow. For it is on them that is the future will have to depend. We all know that our kids have started their remarkable journey towards achieving goals in life. They have remained eager and enthusiastic and grown in so many ways. Our thanks and appreciation to all the teachers and parents for the fantastic and tireless role they have all played in facilitate this process. This is the time, ladies and gentlemen, for the graduation ceremony to applaud and appreciate the young learner from senior KG who will be graduating in primary session. Now I would first call Ashanya Native. Ashanya strives to be a good learner, take interest in participating in every activity and committed is doing her best. D. Kavish, Mr. Zealous. Kavish needs learner who is always enthusiastic about all activities. Jayam Rajan, Mr. Amicable. Jayam is a courteous and polite child. He is very friendly with his classmates. Kushali Derera, Miss Multifaceted. Kushali is a gifted, talented and cheerful girl. Her intelligence and versatile dancing make her everybody's favorite. Jia Parmar, Miss Amenable. Jia is an obedient child, well-mannered and shy girl. Maitra Pandya, Mr. Allrounder. Maitra is the little gem of class who excels in academic, co-curricular activities and sports. Mr. Enthusiastic. Sparsh is a very eager to learn about his surroundings and prefer to cross-check and answer several times. He look for a way to get involved in every activity. Vaishvi Bhatt, Miss Humble. Vaishvi is soft-spoken and polite. She has a good catching power and learn quickly. Viha Mehta, Miss Delicate. Viha is compassionate and shows concern for his classmates. She is kind and soft-hearted. Manya Makwana, Miss Dauntless. Manya enjoys coming to school and take keen interest in school activities. Davik Sharma, Mr. Meticulous. Davik is an enthusiastic learner with awesome catching power. He is well-mannered. So thank you, sir and ma'am, for doing this honor.